Guys, this is Orchid. Hope you're taking care of self and loved ones and staying safe. Today, my project is a mirror dupe. I'm working with a 30-inch mirror I picked up at IKEA some time ago. I don't think they carry them anymore. I've been in love with this mirror, but it's really not in the budget. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, in lieu of the petals, I'm going to use this paper from Michaels, and they are $1.99 each, and I ended up using four of them. Now, to get the shape of the petal, I just googled teardrops because it looks more to me like a teardrop, and then you will have to size them based on the size of your mirror. If you do them too large, it's not going to look right if you're working with a smaller mirror. I'm using this foam board from Dollar Tree to glue underneath the sheets of paper once I cut them out, because I want to give it some amount of depth. So of course you're going to trace it on the paper, then cut it out, and cut out also the shiny paper. I'm going to say shiny paper. Um, but I know that what I'm working with here looks a little rough, but I'm just using this as the example. It's better to cut with an X-Acto knife. You'll get smoother edges on the foam board. You can glue them together using either double-sided tape or a glue stick. The glue stick works much better. If you look at the edges after you've glued it on, you're seeing them and they're white. If you put this on the mirror, because this is a very simple, straightforward DIY, you're going to see the reflection and you'll see the sides when the mirror is hanging on the wall. So to mitigate that, what I did was painted it with a gold liquid, paint. I used two coats. I wish it were the exact gold, but didn't have that. So I'm just basically working with what I have. Now, when you are going to glue them on, don't just glue them on, lay them out first. Because of the shape, you're going to have to do a lot of shifting around to get them all aligned and looking, correct. And once you do that, I simply just adhere them with my glue gun. And this is it, guys. Very simple, budget friendly. Most of us have mirrors lying around. You can do it with the smaller mirrors, except you would have to make sure the petals are much smaller. That's it. As usual, let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.